Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 22nd, 2024, and we're diving into Freeport's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Freeport, a leading international metals company, has just released its Q3 2024 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from strong operating performance to strategic growth initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Freeport reported a revenue of $6.79 billion for the third quarter of 2024. How does this compare to their performance last year?
Freeport's revenue increased from $5.82 billion in the same quarter last year, reflecting a strong demand for copper and gold. The net income attributable to common stock was $526 million, or 36 cents per share, with an adjusted net income of $556 million, or 38 cents per share, after excluding certain charges.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this growth?
The increase in revenue and profitability was driven by higher sales volumes and realized prices for copper and gold, as well as effective cost management, which resulted in lower unit net cash costs.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Freeport's operational performance seems robust. Can you elaborate on their sales and cost efficiencies?
Absolutely. Freeport sold 1 billion pounds of copper and 558,000 ounces of gold in Q3 2024. The unit net cash costs were $1.39 per pound of copper, which is a significant improvement from last year. This was achieved through higher gold credits and efficient cost management.
What about their cash flow and future outlook?
Operating cash flows were strong at $1.9 billion for the quarter. Looking ahead, Freeport is optimistic about its growth prospects, supported by favorable market fundamentals and strategic initiatives, including the expansion of their mining operations and new downstream processing facilities.
Strategic initiatives and market position. John, Freeport has been making strategic moves. Can you tell us more about their initiatives and market position?
Freeport is progressing with options for long-term organic growth, leveraging its position as a leading copper producer. The company is focused on restoring operations at its new smelter facilities in Indonesia after a recent fire incident. Additionally, Freeport increased its ownership in Cerro Verde to 55.8%, enhancing its stake in this key asset.
How do these initiatives align with the current market conditions?
The market fundamentals for copper and gold remain favorable, supporting Freeport's strategic initiatives. The company is well positioned to capitalize on these conditions, with a strong financial profile and a commitment to value-enhancing growth options.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive outlook, Freeport faces some challenges. Can you highlight the key risks?
One of the immediate challenges is the temporary suspension of smelter operations in Indonesia due to a fire. Additionally, Freeport's consolidated debt stands at $9.7 billion, which is significant. The company also navigates regulatory challenges, such as export duties in Indonesia, and has recently negotiated new collective labor agreements at Cerro Verde, which involve non-recurring charges.
How is Freeport addressing these challenges?
Freeport is actively working on restoring smelter operations and is in discussions with the Indonesian government to ensure continuity of exports. The company is also focused on maintaining a solid balance sheet and managing its debt levels effectively.
Key takeaways. In summary, Freeport has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024, with significant revenue growth and robust cash flows. The company's strategic focus on organic growth and its leading market position in copper production are key strengths. John, any final thoughts?
Freeport's ability to navigate challenges while capitalizing on market opportunities is commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and how they manage risks moving forward.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Freeport's performance in the comments below.